Okay, let's have a quick take a look on this Coca app. As you can see, this is my card account and crypto account. So we're going to try to add funds using my another Web3 wallet. So on chain deposit, I'm using USDT. And as you can see, there's a lot of available networks: Near, Base, Avalanche, Tron, BNB, and Polygon, Solana, Ethereum, Arbitrum. So we're gonna use this Avalanche, okay? And copy the address. Then we're going to send some funds from my wallet. Let's see my 20 USDT here. Then let's try to top up my card 20 USDT. Paste. This address is from my Coca card. And confirm. Max. Confirm. Confirm. Verify. Then we will see how fast the deposit to be appear on Coca. Let's wait. Let's go back to Coca app. And let's wait for the deposit to appear on the Coca. Oh, already received. As you can see, 20 USDT received. Okay. Deposit pending, but it will be successful anytime soon. Okay. And by waiting this card top up to be successful, let's have a quick take a look. Crypto account rewards. As you can see, you can see your tier here, and the cashback, they also have a 2% boost up to I mean until December 31. And my tier is standard. If you want to upgrade your tier, you can receive up to 10% cashback this until December 31. And the cashback is paid every 10 of the month. Then invite a friend and refer more. So if you invite your friend and they spend $100 with their Coca card, you will get up to $30 per friend for yourself and $10 for your friend. Then also one thing guys, make sure you save your recovery phrase so your crypto account and Coca account won't be lost. So that's it. Okay. And now you have funds on your card and ready for spending. And that's it guys, and thank you.